what I really like to do is make sort of what I would call the invisible visible, because organizing and what it takes to run a family is like so invisible to most people, even the people doing it. You don't realize how big the job is. You feel it, and you feel like you're failing short, but like, so I have this thing called put all the cards on the table, and you take a bunch of index cards, and every single index card, 3x5, has a task that's involved in a household running, whether it's cleaning, meal planning, cooking, cleanup, errands, dry cleaning, paperwork, transportation, keeping the calendar, mowing the lawn, walking the dog, like all the things, but everything. And you play a game, and you just put all the cards on the table, and you have the family sit around, and you divvy up who does what.
Does that work for families?
It does. It does.
Now, do you have to bribe your husband and your kids to do these things?
I don't think it's a matter of bribing. I think it's a matter of hitting reset and saying, look, we kind of fell into this, and I know I'm the stay-at-home mom, and I try to hold my part, but constantly the emotional load of thinking and trying to do all of this keeps me from being present. It's bigger than you realize, bigger than I realized. I willingly said yes, and I was like, whoa, I had no idea how complex this was going to be. So can we just sort of do this together and sort of re-divvy this up? And I think that if you think of the tasks involved in organizing, keeping a place organized, etc., as the family's tasks, it's not any one, it is, they're the family's tasks. Then sharing it well
Right.
is a way of taking care of each other.
Right.
And that's a totally different value